Folic acid for men, benefits, side effects, and more. Hey guys, did you know there's a vitamin that could boost your mood, support your heart, help with hair growth, and maybe even improve fertility? And no, it's not some mystery pill. It's folic acid. Folic acid equals synthetic folate, vitamin B9. Folic acid is the man-made version of folate, also known as vitamin B9, a vitamin your body can't produce on its own. That means you have to get it from food or supplements. Beef liver, spinach, kale, eggs, etc. Foods rich in folate include beef liver, spinach, kale, broccoli, rice, and eggs. But if you're not loading your plate with greens daily, folic acid supplements might help fill the gap. Now, most people associate folic acid with pregnancy and women's health. But guys, listen up. This nutrient has major benefits for men too. Let's break them down. Mental health and depression. Did you know around 16% of men in the US experience mental health issues like depression? Low folate equals increased depression risk. Studies show that men with low folate levels are more likely to experience depression. And guess what? Taking folic acid with antidepressants has been shown to boost recovery more than medication alone. Heart health hero. Heart disease is still the #1 killer of men, but folic acid may help lower the risk by reducing something called homocysteine, an amino acid that damages blood vessels. By helping convert homocysteine to a safer compound, folic acid might just be giving your heart the support it needs. Hair growth and gray hair prevention. Okay, this one's for the guys worried about hair loss or going gray too soon. Folic acid equals healthy cell growth. Folic acid supports healthy cell growth, including the cells that power your hair. One study even linked low folate levels to premature graying. Now, will folic acid magically regrow hair? Probably not overnight, but it could be part of a good routine. Fertility boost. Now for the big question. Can folic acid improve fertility? Some research suggests that combining folic acid with zinc may help improve sperm quality, especially in men with fertility issues. But the results are mixed, so don't expect miracles. Dosage and safety tips. Safe limit equals 1,000 milligrams per day. Here's the deal. Folic acid is water-soluble, so your body gets rid of the extra. But that doesn't mean you can megadose it. Taking too much can hide signs of a vitamin B12 deficiency, mess with your immune system, and might even increase the risk of prostate issues. Stick to the recommended dosage, around 400 to 800 micrograms a day, and never exceed 1,000 micrograms unless your doctor tells you to. Interactions and warnings. Medication interactions. If you're taking medications like methotrexate, sulfasalazine, or epilepsy meds, talk to your doctor before starting a folic acid supplement. Is folic acid for you? Most men get enough folate from food. But if you're older, have a poor diet, or dealing with certain health issues, a supplement might help. Folic acid isn't just for prenatal vitamins. It could play a surprising role in your health too. Just remember, more isn't always better, and always talk to your doctor first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more science-backed health tips for men. Got questions or experiences with folic acid? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay informed.